ShockWatch 2 impact indicators alert everyone that your shipment should be handled with care and that it is being monitored for mishandling. Our impact indicators have been shown to reduce damage by 40 to 60%. Selecting the right indicator is a simple process. Start with your shipment size and weight. The selection guide provides a starting point for sensitivity selection. You can download a copy of the selection guide on our website, SpotSee.io. The indicator best suited to your application will also take into account product fragility and packaging. More fragile products may require a more sensitive, lower G indicator, while products with more robust packaging may need a less sensitive, higher G indicator. Remove the backing from the activator to arm the ShockWatch 2 and mount on the shipment you want to monitor. The indicator will turn red when the shipment experiences an impact of or higher than the sensitivity threshold. Spot damage and see how you can improve your distribution chain with ShockWatch 2 from SpotSee and deliver with confidence.